Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your ultimate guide to navigating the tech world one tap at a time. Today we are answering a common question: how to split screen on Android. So let us get started. To split the screen on your phone, start by opening the two apps you want to use, because multitasking is the way to go, right? Then tap the square Recent Apps button at the bottom of your screen. In the Recent Apps view, find the app you want to use in the top half of the screen. Tap and hold its icon at the top of the preview window, and select the split screen button from the menu that pops up. Now you'll be asked to pick the second app from your recent apps or open a fresh one to fill the bottom half. You can even adjust the size of the apps by dragging the divider between them. It is like your phone's very own version of a 2-for-1 deal. Who doesn't love getting more done at once? And that's it, everyone. A quick and easy way to split the screen on your Android. Multitasking made simple, right? Now you can use two apps at once and get more done. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tips. And hey, how do you usually multitask? Split screen or just switch between apps? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, keep updating and stay connected with Wireless Solutions.